This is why my little chicken gets so wet when it rains. If you notice, he is not under that table with all the other chickens. You want to come inside? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can't stand in the rain like that. Come on, baby. I'm not coming out there to get you, I can promise. Come on, baby. Come on, I know you can see me. Come on. Come over here, silly ass bird. He's just getting drenched. Or he, she, whatever the heck it is. Come on, baby. I'm not coming out there. Oh, here it comes. Come on. Come on, you don't need to be out in the rain. Come on. Everybody else out there's dry. So now you're just gonna stand really out in the middle, huh? Come on, baby, let's go. Come on. Well, I don't know. I guess just stand out there and get rained on then.